Hey everybody, this is the founder of Forte Holdings, Alex, here with Marcus. Marcus, you want to say hi to everybody?
Hello everyone, Marcus here. Excited to chat about our portfolio performance so far this year.
All right, perfect. So let's get right into it. So as you guys can see, this is just a quick visual representation of, again, the assets that Marcus has been managing. So let's go right into it. So US large cap, we're looking at about 21.20% of the overall portfolio is in there. US small cap, we're at 38%, 0.32. For international, we're looking at 2.79%. For fixed income, we're looking at 29.76% of the portfolio. For cash and cash investments, we're looking at 6.05%, and then uncategorized about 1.88%. So, first of all, if you don't mind, we're going to jump right into just performance because I gave you the allocation, Marcus, but I would love for you to explain to the viewers how our portfolio is performing and why. So, long story short, Forte Holdings so far for the year is down 5.59%. The Russell is down 16.28%. The S&P is down 10.10%. The Nasdaq is down 13.23%, and the Dow Jones is down about 5.04%. So, do you want to elaborate on what news has caused this, but at the same time how we're weathering the storm and how you're looking on the outlook now of everything going on, especially with Trump and China going back and forth now in this trade war? What are your thoughts and what do you want to update the viewers on?
Absolutely, Alex. Our portfolio's performance reflects a broader market trend influenced by several factors. The trade tensions between the US and China, especially under the current administration, have heightened uncertainty, impacting investor sentiment. Despite these challenges, our losses are notably less severe than major indices like the Russell, S&P, and Nasdaq. This resilience comes from our diversified holdings and strategic asset allocation. Moving forward, we remain cautiously optimistic. We'll continue monitoring geopolitical developments and adjust our strategy to ensure we're well positioned for growth.
With such a recent massive sell off, Marcus, according to your information and your research, do you think now is a good time to continue accumulating some of the names that we have in our portfolio, but also other stocks? Or do you think it's best to just hold off and see what happens? What's your perspective?
Based on current data and market conditions, it could be a good time to accumulate, especially for quality stocks that are now undervalued. A balanced approach might be to gradually buy into positions while keeping some cash reserves. This way, we can take advantage of further dips or opportunities as they arise. It's important to stay informed and flexible given the uncertainties.
Gotcha. And if you could let the viewers know, are you buying now? Or are you looking to accumulate more, especially as the overall stock markets have again plummeted? And then after you answer that, we would love to hear your expert opinion on where do you see the indexes performing this year? Do you think they're going to end positively on the year? And after that question, what are your thoughts on what's going on between Trump and China? Could you give us a little bit of insight on whether or not you think that this is going to get settled quickly, or do you think this might be a long endeavor that all of us are going to have to deal with?
Right now, I'm selectively adding to our positions in quality stocks that have solid fundamentals and are trading at a discount. As for the indices, it's a tough call. If trade tensions ease, we could see a recovery, but I expect volatility to persist. On Trump and China, the trade dispute might drag on. Both sides have a lot at stake, so a quick resolution seems unlikely. We'll keep a close eye and adapt accordingly.
Understood. And now, with us pretty much wrapping this up, is there any advice you want to give to all the viewers watching? Again, we're in a pretty intense time. We've never seen this kind of volatility in our history. And the last time the stock markets jumped 10% in one day was all the way back in 2008. So, with all the anomalies going on right now, if you had to pass on some words of advice to our viewers based off your understanding and how you've been managing the portfolio, what would it be?
My advice would be to stay calm and focused on your long-term goals. Volatility can be unnerving, but it's crucial not to make impulsive decisions. Diversification and a disciplined strategy can help weather the storm. Keep an eye on fundamentals, maintain a balanced portfolio, and be ready to seize opportunities as they arise. Remember, patience and a steady approach often pay off in the long run.
Awesome. I appreciate that advice, Marcus. And again, everyone, thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day and or night. And Marcus, if these people want to find out more about your portfolio or if they want to stay updated with all the different moves you make, where's the best place for them to find you?
Thanks, Alex. For anyone interested in keeping up with our portfolio moves or learning more, you can follow Forte Holdings on our official website or social media channels. We'll keep you posted with updates, insights, and strategies. Stay tuned.
All right. Awesome. Thanks, everybody, for watching and have a good one. Thanks. Bye.